Hello students, I am Adhyeta sir. Before starting the story, it is very necessary to know all the characters. Without knowing the characters, you can't understand the story. Jean Valjean is the protagonist, that is central character of Victor Hugo's novel Les Miserables. He is ex-convict who strives for moral perfection and achieves a kind of sainthood in his love for his adopted daughter Cosette. He is also known as Monsieur Madeleine and Monsieur Leblanc. Javert is an honest French policeman who believes in law and order. He does his work with such a passion that he becomes an animal when he chases. He has a strong desire to recapture Jean Valjean. Champmathieu, the accused of the trial. He is a poor, uneducated man who unfortunately resembles Jean Valjean so much that he is identified, tried and convicted as Valjean. Fontaine, a beautiful working class girl who leaves her home city at the age of 15 to seek her fortune in Paris. She is the mother of Cosette and she descends into a prostitution to feed herself and her daughter. Petit Jahve, a small boy whom Valjean drops shortly after leaving Jean. This is the name of a place. Hello students. First of all, we will know the meaning of the chapter, of the theme, the twisted trial. What is the meaning of the twisted trial? The twisted trial means the trial which took U-turn at the last. It means a complicated trial. Now, to save the time and make the story simple and easy to understand, I have summarized it in detail and I have summarized it every page. I have summarized the story every page. So this is the summary of the first page. Now let's start. Inspector Javert was an honest officer and trying to solve a difficult case. He reached the Monsieur Madeleine office. No sooner he entered the office, he overheard such a name uttered by the mayor. The name made his senses suspended. He got lost his senses for a while. The name was of an accused. He was trying to catch him. He was totally shocked and surprised. The mayor, means Madeleine, uttered the name he had been buried years before. He was speaking about to take out Champmathieu of the prison and to put himself in his place. But next moment he controlled his first impulse and dropped the idea to show such heroism. His heroic feeling got disappeared from his heart at that time. He returned his home, but he was restless. Something was piercing his heart. He felt that he had awakened after a deep sleep. He found himself flying over a cliff. He was sad, restless. He felt that he or someone was going to be lost in an endless tunnel, means the gulf. So the gulf, bottomless hole, should be closed. He thought what he was afraid of. If he had done any harm to the poor boy, means to Champmathieu, he was not responsible for it. But his appearance, which resembles him, means the appearance of Champmathieu resembles Madeleine's face. He decided to let the matters be at its place. After some moments, he asked himself a question upon the resolution, the decision whether it was good or not. The mayor, that is Madeleine, was worried and thinking over his life. He thought what the object of his life. He had been concealing his name and deceiving police for a long time. To conceal his name, or to deceive police is the object of his life. He questioned himself. He could decide about what is true. He wanted to close his dark chapter of his past, but somewhere he wanted to save his soul also, the innocence of his soul. He found trouble to close that chapter of his past. He was doing self-analysis of his life. Once again, he had robbed his life by committing a new crime. Once again, he had cheated to himself. He felt painful. He thought that the only way to save his soul is to accept his crime he had done. The only way to save his soul is to become again the convict Jean Valjean. He must go to Arras, get himself arrested. But all at once he thought of poor sick Fontaine. She is the poor girl who had left her hometown to seek her for fortune, and she was the mother of adopted daughter of Madeleine. Finally, he decided to remain himself Madeleine, who was a respected person and mayor of the city. It was in the interest of all. He didn't want to denounce that he was the man who had committed crime as Jean Valjean. He entered the room and opened a secret door. In a closet there were few things which used to remind him his old life, that is the life of Jean Valjean. He collected an old pair of trousers, a shoulder bag and a thorn stick which was inbound at both ends. Then he threw them in the fire to burn. Suddenly he caught with equal terror for each of the two ideas which appeared fatal to him. If he disclosed his real name, that is Jean Valjean, everything would be finished and he was punished. Or if he continued his life being Madeleine, his soul would be finally dead. He walked for 5 hours thinking the both ideas. Tired, exhausted, dropped into a chair. He fell asleep. When he woke up, he decided to attend the trial. He reached the court in a few minutes and saw there were many people sitting in the hall. All eyes were stuck on a man between two policemen. To see the man, Madeleine thought of his past, that once he was also stood like him. He was not older as the man between the two policemen, but attitude and appearance were the same. He had faced the same trial years before. He had seen these things like judges, policemen, people. He got scared to have recalled his past. Watch my next video to know what was the twist in the trial. Was Champmathieu punished by the court, or did Madeleine denounce himself Jean Valjean? So don't forget to watch the next part of the story. Till then, have a good day.